안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 Teni입니다. Hello everyone. You already know what we're going to be talking about today by the title of this video. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing I want you to do is think about your goals and write them down. What do you want to accomplish in the next 1 month, or in the next 3 months, or in the next 6, or even a year? What exactly do you see yourself doing, or what exactly do you see yourself being able to accomplish in that period or in that space? Do you want to be able to say things without relying on memorization, or you want to be able to be conversational in Korean? Or your own goal is that you want to be able to read a storybook. Whatever your goals are or whatever you want to do, write them down so that you have it clear and you know what exactly you want for yourself. For example, if I know that I want to be conversational in Korean, and I know that I need to improve my speaking skill, I need to improve my listening skill, I need to improve my vocabulary and also my grammar. So the first one, my speaking skill. How do I plan on doing that? I need to slowly attempt to pronounce the example sentences in my notes. Try to make my own sentences and also try to pronounce them. It doesn't have to be something really long. Just start from somewhere. Slowly start to use those things that you've learned. Make your own sentences. Pronounce them. Say them out loud. Don't just say it within yourself. It's not going to help. The second one is carefully choose your resources and just go with the ones that you really need. Now it's time to decide, what exactly do I really need? What exactly is going to really work for me? Accomplish your aim or get to where exactly you want to be. The third one is plan your time. This is the time to decide, how many grammar points am I going to do in a week? How many podcasts do I want to listen to in a day? How many things I want to get done by this specific time, so that you will know how far you're going to put in effort in order to accomplish your goal. I personally don't set time 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. because things just change. Things can change anytime. I can get called by somebody and I have to go there. You also need to understand that depending on what is going on in your life, things are going to change. For example, if you are going to school, you definitely will not be able to study 3 grammar points in a day. But if you are on your holiday, then you can do that. You can even do as much as you want to. Okay, the fourth one is to create a weekly plan for yourself. For example, I want to complete Talk to Me Korean level 9. How am I going to achieve this goal? I obviously cannot learn 2 grammar points in a day. Not like I cannot, but for me to truly understand it, I would not do that to myself, because the higher you go, the much more time it takes to fully understand a grammar point. I probably will take a month to complete everything, because I want to make sure that I'm truly understanding. I'm not just jumping to one grammar point. The fifth step is to take out time for revision. As you're learning a lot of things, there is a need to revise. I actually don't really like this step because nobody really likes learn what you've learned before. It's not really fun. Nobody really likes it, including me. There's one thing I usually do. After I go through a grammar point, I'm especially when it takes me so much time to actually fully understand it. I usually take a month or 2 break, not to learn anything new, but rather to revise what exactly I've learned. Currently, I'm at level 9, but I'm not learning anything at level 9. I'm about to go to level 9, I'm not learning anything. What I'm just doing right now is just taking time to actually revise level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8. The thing I will do is that once a week I will take my camera and sit down in front of it and just say whatever thing that comes to my mind. Try to use the grammar point I've learned for over the week to be able to try to at least practice. I know it doesn't sound natural to be doing that and talking to a camera. Even the way I'm talking to you right now, it doesn't sound natural at first when I started, but now I'm able to comfortably talk to you. To improve my listening skill, there's usually a revision for Talk to Me Korean lessons, where you can just listen to a podcast, give it to you, and they just use all the grammar points in that level. So I listen to it at first without reading the transcript or doing anything. When I listen to it, I'm oh, I grab some things, but I don't grab some things. Then after that, I check the transcript and I'm oh, so this is the things I didn't know. And then I realized that, oh, so this thing was even there but I didn't know that it was there, because I was not really used to hearing that word being said over and over again. And another thing I would do is watching a movie, not really to be entertained by it, but rather to be able to catch up words when things are said in a very fast way, compared to when you're listening to a podcast when it's 안녕하세요, something like that. It's very slow. But when you watch a real movie, people say at a normal pace, and that's what you want to do, because you're not going to wait for somebody speaking to you in a very slow way. They also speak in a normal way. So you want to ensure that you're putting yourself in that space where you listen to things set in a normal pace, not really in a slow pace. So Personally, I'll watch a movie to improve that part of my listening skill. With that being said, we've come to the end, and these are the things that have helped me to create a study plan. And I hope the study plans help you to create your own study plan and to make it realistic, something you can actually accomplish. And also, if these plans, like if you look at them and you're like, I don't think I can achieve this thing, probably you should increase or maybe add a month to it or a week to it, or you should remove some things out of it so that it's very easy for you to accomplish. Remember, guys, and
it feels so weird recording myself, like writing. If I'm not recording myself, I can do this like, but recording this is not natural at all. But that's eating in the tip. So you know what I'm talking about. How do I do this? I don't know. I'm looking at myself. I'm looking at you, so let's just do this. But we need to be clear. We did it. Well, I have a